Hello everyone, welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. Today we will know about gear mate in SolidWorks. I insert some components in assembly, 2 gears and this plate, 2 small rods. Now select mate, internal face of this gear and outer face of this rod. OK. Same here, internal face of this gear and external face of this rod. OK. Now select this face and this face. Maintain some distance 10 mm in flip direction. OK. This phase and this phase coincident. OK. Now first of all we set the teeth of gear. For gear mate, go to mechanical mates and here select gear mate. Go to mate selection, mechanical mate, gear, internal face of this gear and internal face of this gear. From here you can enter their ratio. I entered 10-10. OK. Again OK. Now see here. See here, both gears are working with same speed. Again go to mate, gear mate, edit mate, select reverse. OK. Now this gear is rotating in this direction and this is rotating in opposite direction. Select gear mate, edit feature. You can also change the ratios. I enter 10:20. Uncheck reverse. OK. Now this gear ratio is 10 and this is 20. 10:20. When this gear rotates, this gear moves double from it. This is 10:20. Speed of this gear is double from this gear. This is gear mate in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.